Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the Lewis structure of BI3. It's a chemical formula of boron triiodide. To determine its Lewis structure, we will first count the total number of valence electrons. We have one boron atom having 3 valence electrons and 3 iodine atoms having 7 valence electrons. Now that gives us a total of 24 valence electrons. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place boron in the center and arrange 3 iodine atoms around it. Then we will place electron pair in between each atom for bond formation. As you can see, each iodine atom needs 6 more electrons for complete octet, so we will assign 6 to each iodine atom. Doing that, we have used all our valence electrons and every atom here has a complete outer shell with zero formal charge. So this is the final Lewis structure of BI3. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.